VGuard solar water heaters. Another new product from VGuard Industries. Hot Side A 200 liters with glass line technology. The inner gas tank is made of glass line. Outer body aluminum zinc alloy. This is how comes the product. You can see here a glass line new model from VGuard, 200 liter capacity, suitable for 2-3 members. You can see the manufacturing address from VGuard Industries, a Make in India product. Safety precautions they have provided. The body of aluminum zinc alloy and tank made up of glass line technology with 10 years warranty, and supports are made up of glass MS angle with powder coating. Installed and serviced by Sunflame Energy Consultant, Belgaum, Karnataka. For more details, you can just log in our website www.sunflameenergy.com and subscribe our channel for more details.